That's great. Now kids, today in Incredible India, we are going to take states West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Nagaland, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Okay. Okay. The tourist places to visit West Bengal. I would just like to tell the students, those who have joined today for the summer camp, Incredible India. Just a minute, I'll admit you. Okay. You all know due to coronavirus, we are economically gone back for few years as our government says, isn't it? Now, when this coronavirus lockdown will break out totally, maybe after you will try to travel next year, after 1 year or 2 years, I would request all of you should travel India within Indian states only, isn't it? Not to go anywhere abroad, so that whatever money from the tourist destinations our government will get, it will increase the economic status of our nation, isn't it? So we all should go and visit the Indian state. That's the main intention for this Incredible India. Now, I'm going to ask few questions today based on this Incredible India session today. Okay, yesterday we missed out. Now, this is tourist places to visit in West Bengal. Victoria Memorial is a place. Now, I'll not give you any more information on this. You have to send me at least 5 sentences information on the same and send me on my personal WhatsApp number. Remember, those who have joined today should send me on my personal WhatsApp number, not on the group, because all will be able to see your answers, isn't it? Even your photos during your performing your activities should be sent to me, which we are going to post on the FB of our class group. Now, this is Darjeeling. Darjeeling, the history of Darjeeling. Just a minute. I'll add more persons. Okay. Is intertwined with that. It was during the British India and Bhutan until the early 19th century. The hilly area around Darjeeling was controlled by the Kingdom of Sikkim, with the settlement consisting of a few villages of the Lepcha and Kirati people. The Kogyal of Sikkim had been engaged in successful warfare against the persons joining late today. Many of them are there. Okay. Okay. Has been engaged in unsuccessful warfare against the Gurkhas of the Nepal from 1780. The Gurkhas made several attempts to capture the entire region of Darjeeling. One of the most beautiful thing in Darjeeling is the train journey. Next is Kolkata. It's a metropolitan city of a nation. It's also an industrial hub. Okay. It's a Sundarban wildlife sanctuary. See kids, I can ask you the question today, okay? You have to please watch carefully today, 3 questions, and we are going to consider this as a quiz competition, and the winner will be declared on the last day. Murshidabad. Just a minute. The area was a part of the Gauda kingdom and Vanga kingdom in the ancient Bengal. The Riyaj ul Sultanate credited the initial development of the town to the merchant named Makhsus Khan. The merchant role is also mentioned in the N.A. Akbari. Whatever I am reading out, please listen carefully. The old Nizamat Mamra was built by Nawab Sirajud-Dawla. You must have all heard about Sirajud-Dawla in history, the Indian history, very famous person. In Nizamat Fort area, he brought bricks and mortar and laid the foundation of building with his own hands. With his own hands. Shantiniketan, you all must be knowing. Rabindranath Tagore took on permanent lease of 20 acres of land with 2 charting trees at a yearly payment of ₹5 from Bhuban Mohan Sinha, the Talukadar of Raipur, Birham. He built a guest house there and named it as Shantiniketan. Gradually, the whole area came to be known as Shantiniketan. Bankura. In the 4th century, Susanya edicts record in Prakrit and Sanskrit that Chandravarman, son of Simhavarman, was the ruler of Pushkarna. According to the inscription of Allahabad pillar, Chandravardhan was defeated by Samudragupta and the area became a part of Gupta Empire. Bishnupur was ruled under the Gupta period by the local Hindu king Samudragupta, following a long period of obscurity where the land when for almost 1,000 years it was the capital of Mala kings of Malabham. You all must be knowing this bridge. I'm going to ask you this question. I just show the image. Now it's tourist places to visit in Bihar. You know, India is a nation where you will find in each and every state lot of temples, and each of the temple is having its own history, culture. This temple is the Mahabodhi temple. Okay. Just this temple, Mahabodhi temple, is situated in which city? You have to write and send today is the first question. Okay. Okay. Now next is Golghar. According to contemporary inscription at its base, the Golghar in Patna was intended to be the first series of the huge grain stores built in the stupa architecture. Now Golghar was built in which architectural way? You have to answer. This is the second one. This is Barabar caves. The Barabal L caves are the oldest surviving rock-cut caves in India, dating from the Maurya Empire, some with the Ashokan inscription, located in the Makadampur region of Jehanabad district in Bihar. Giant Buddha, you have to write information about this Giant Buddha and send it to me. This is the fourth question. Now, one important thing, look at this image carefully. Okay, you have to tell me the name of the place, which city it is situated, state, and also its importance in the Indian history. Okay, all have done it. Shall I go ahead? 5 questions already I have told you. Now this is a places to visit Jharkhand. You know Jharkhand? Who is their famous cricketer from Jharkhand? Many of them know? Okay. You're right. It is MS Dhoni. Dasham Fall, also known as Dasham Ghag, is another popular waterfall in Ranchi region. The falls are believed to be split into 10 streams and hence the name Dasham. See, 10 streams and so it is named as Dasham. It is the Sangam of 10 rivers. Belta National Park. Tell me the importance of Belta National Park, and you can see the roads of Ranchi, the place of captain, ex-captain of the Indian cricket team, MS Dhoni. Tourist places to visit in Nagaland is Kohima, Tanki National Park, Shaloi Lake. Okay, which three slides I showed you about of Nagaland state? You have to tell me that, all three. Okay, now this is the places to visit from Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, I think so many of our students are there from Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam. While these are known as, which is this Belem caves, while these are known as dates, there has been evidence of them being used much before this time. Scores of the prehistoric vessels of 4500 BC have been found here, along with the relics from the time when the Jain and Buddhist monks used the caves for the meditation. It is the second largest cave in India. Now you all are very familiar with this Tirupati Balaji. Okay. You have to gather information about Tirupati Balaji and send to me as well. Okay. Many students are from Visakhapatnam. I would like to ask my dear students if you would like to tell. Lavanya, you are there. Can you tell about the places of your city? Anything speciality of it? Shall I unmute you? Lavanya, Vidisha Jain, Lavanya. I have unmuted you, Lavanya.
Ma'am, first of all, Arku Valley is the famous. Or over there is Bora Caves and Arku TN is special. And next is the submarine used in a submarine attack with India and Pakistan. And it has a movie presently, the Ghazi attack of it happened in 1971 year. And then next is an airport place. Over there we will find the importance of the airplanes, and there are many games. We are having nice movie ones, and we are having many nice beaches and many mountains.
Okay, thanks a lot, Lavanya, to give us this information. Wonderful. Thanks a lot. Okay. Amravati. It's also one of the places in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I'll just run away because the next session is ready. Rishikonda Beach, a wonderful beach. Now the place is in Odisha. Konark Sun Temple. You have to tell me about this Konark Sun Temple also. Sri Jagannath Temple in Puri. Even the information regarding this, you can ask your parents and message me on my personal WhatsApp number. Bhubaneswar is a land of beautiful architecture. Thank you.